Hi guys, so I'm going to show you how I did my neon design just using a swatch stick because I unfortunately deleted the footage again. So we are just going to do the dry brush technique, so as you can see I've swiped off almost all of the colour. I'm doing it in neon shades, so I've got a neon yellow, neon orange and a neon pink. I just want to do some quick fast strokes across the nail. So next I'm just going to use a black polish and again do the dry brush technique. I had wanted to use a crackle polish, but unfortunately I didn't have any to hand, so this ended up being a good alternative. To finish the design off, I'm going to use one of my indie polishes. This is Aurora and it is a holographic topper. I'm just going to apply that to the entire nail.